everyone and welcome to KYE Talks. I'm Sonal Ambekar, your host for this interview. Today's interview is powered by MD Investments, founded by Mr. Mandar Datar, an excellent insurance and investments agent. Find the link to MD Investments down below in the description box. Let's begin with today's KYE Talk. So Know Your Entrepreneur, as you all know, is a digital platform where we talk to several entrepreneurs who tell us why they chose not to be stuck to the regular 9 to 5, but they go ahead and do something different. They go ahead and chase their passion. The entrepreneur that we will be talking to today is Mrs. Poonam Joshi. She is the founder of Ocean Sparkly. As far as her educational background, she is an IT engineer. She has worked with one of the finest MNCs for more than 2 years. She believes that destiny brought her across the cosmetic industry and a spark to become an entrepreneur had been triggered inside her. Herself, having sensitive skin, she has tried products from several renowned brands, but nothing came through as per her expectations. She did a lot of certification courses on the cosmetics, and then eventually she figured out that Ayurveda and naturopathy were the way to go. She has now combined all her reading into practice and created her secret formula for different types of skins and the beauty issues which will suit all skin types. Her venture, Ocean Sparkly, is established with pure aim to create meaningful, healthy change in beauty industry. They make personalized handmade bath and body products. All products are sulfate and paraben-free, cruelty-free. They deal with authenticated herbal and natural products from Ayurveda, and they accept personal consultation, party orders, corporate orders, work orders, or reselling. Let's get to know more from Poonam. Hi, Poonam.
Hello, everyone. Hi.
Welcome to KYE Talk. We are so excited to have you here.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, my name is Poonam Joshi. I'm from Mumbai. Basically, by education, I am IT professional. I work with one of the MNC. But due to some personal reason, I had to quit that job. And later part also, I work with small company. But one day I came across this field just because my even I have a sensitive skin and my baby also. So that time I realized that I should do something good, and I started explore everything on a YouTube. Specifically, we generally search on the YouTube, and there. Yeah, so I found that there is a good way to make your own body product because I really like to use different brand products. So I started making, I started with the soap basically. It's a very easy to make. So I just ordered something or raw material and I started doing it, and I made a simple coconut soap at first time, and at that time I realized it's really useful. Okay, so it is so moisturizing, and even that suited my baby as well. Okay, I can see that yes her skin was very soft that time and continuous. She was like around 5 months old that time, and till that time, from that time I'm using my own handmade product for herself, even for my entire family. And trust me, it's really nice to use that because what you get in the market, the product is like they make 2-3 years ago, and when we actually that received to us, it's like almost 2-3 years now. So I made a product which is freshly made. Right. And you have to consume it within 6 months. So in that course, like you can use a natural thing. Okay, for example, if I want to say I am using coconut oil, okay, I make a lotion, baby lotion for my baby, which is made up with the coconut oil. So I have to consume it within a time period. Right. So that is a really good thing, and that gives a good quality, or the properties are very nice. So I'm very much happy, and I really want everyone to try this.
Right. Like you said, the cosmetics that are out there, they are made with with preservatives, so they can go on for a long time, and those preservatives are nothing but chemicals which can have a bad effect on our skin, and that's not a good thing. Those are the side effects that we should try to avoid. And it's great to know, Poonam, that you've come up with your own product line of these natural Ayurveda inspired products, skincare products. So Poonam, what would you say was your motivation to be an entrepreneur? Like, did you ever think, like, I know, like you said, that you wanted to do this for yourself and for your family. That was mainly the motivation. But did you ever think that, having your own venture would be such a cool thing? Like, you won't have to do the 9 to 5 thing. You could be your own boss. ऐसा कभी सोचा था?
Yes, it's actually what happened. Like I tried for the job, but मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मुझे possible था वो करने के लिए. So since I have a very monkey mind, so I can't sit alone and I can't do so watch TV and all. I just invest my time in good things. So I started searching on YouTube, and nowadays there are lots of things, lots of hobby classes you will come across. So this is like मैंने इसको ऐसे hobby करके लिया था, but then I realized that you can do your customized product, like it's just like simple soap, but you can so much of additives into this and you can give a good product, जैसे मुल्तानी मिट्टी, I have a मुल्तानी मिट्टी soap, then charcoal soap. These are some cool stuff, you can use, and with the fragrances also I can customize my own stuff, so that is a very good thing. So initially I didn't like thought of it कि I can start my own startup, but then gradually when I started giving my product, my handmade products to my friends and relatives, they really liked it. Okay, even they found that it's really good for your skin, and especially it's very moisturizing. So they started purchasing it from me, and gradually my business started.
Wow.
So now, yes, I am expanding. Yes, yes, yes. So पता ही नहीं चलता basically कब ये business में convert हो गया. Initially it was a hobby, but even I am from science background, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कुछ explore करना and all, है ना. I just take one ingredient and I try to make different product out of it. For example, a rice water. I have heard that rice water is very good for your skin. It gives a Korean glass
skin.
For
hair also, yes.
Yes, for hair also. So I made a soap with that. Then shampoo. Even I tried on my. This is like I have done straightening, so I use that shampoo as well. So it's really nice. For the face also, I use my own rice serum. So it's really nice. Even I got a client feedback also that my skin is started glowing. And I personally don't use makeup. Like this is also my own lip balm. Okay, and the kajal is also handmade.
So apart from that, I representing yourself not just as the founder, but also like you got all products on.
Yes, actually many people say that why your skin is very supple and soft, and it's a very clear. I don't have any acne.
I was gonna ask you this. I thought I'll ask it later, that your skin is actually glowing and so clear, and I was gonna ask, is it the result of your product?
Yes. Even I have my client also sent me their pictures before and after one. So literally if you do that stuff at your home also then you will find it's a really good thing, because you are not applying any chemical on it. You are not applying any steroid to make a natural, or
and it's a very freshly made product.
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. This is my motivation also when I use some kitchen available product and I make a like ingredient and I make a product with it. So it's a really nice thing, and I can see the result on myself, because if I'm using it, I can show my clients, see, this is the result of my product.
Right.
So like that.
You can be your own salesperson, that I've tried and tested it, and I can assure you, I can guarantee you that you will see the effects. Wonderful.
Yes.
So, Poonam, what would you say gives you a sense of accomplishment and, owning your own venture and having that product line? Like, what would you say that वो kick मिलता है ना एक चीज से, इसलिए हमको मन करता है हम सही कर रहे हैं, हमको करना चाहिए.
Yes, so basically, as I said, like people used to send me like जो भी girls है, they used to send me before and after pictures. So that is really motivation for me. Secondly, now like people know, my client know that I make customized one. That is my aim, and you can say a forte. So they just say, Poonam, just make something with beetroot. Just make something with a carrot seed. So that gives me really motivation ki I must try that. Like recently one of my clients said, I want to try a product which has a papaya. So I made a papaya gel out of it, which is a source of vitamin C also, and I added some ingredient. Obviously without that vitamin C you cannot make it. So but even after using that, she sent me her picture, okay, like before and after, and I was so happy that I can see the clear image that there is a skin difference.
Effectiveness.
Yes. So that is the accomplishment. Yes.
And I think that's your USP, right? That you create customized products as per your clients, wishes. Like what would they like in their products? Yeah, some people have.
Yes, and specifically, my like small kids also, they send me audio notes like, please, auntie, make this kind of a soap for me. I need this, specific shape like a vegetable tree. So even making that also very beautiful thing for me. That is, they say that, auntie, this is very good new shape available. Like I just feel like eating it, just like a cheese soap or a cake soap I make. So they are like, I don't want to use it. I just want to look at the soap. So that's
So you
really,
are also making people happy with the beauty of your
yes,
product.
yes, yes, yes,
वो आँखों का सुकून कहते हैं ना.
yes, yes.
Wonderful. And it's so good that home remedies is a thing in India.
Yeah.
ये home
Yes,
remedies
yes,
तो Indian हर घर में this happens that we have
yes,
some
yes,
from our elders we get some secret formulas that you should do this will benefit your skin, your
yes,
hair, and all of that. And it's so good that
yes,
you're using all of that knowledge and the
yes.
knowledge that you've gained with all your study, and
Hmm.
you're creating an entire product line, and you have
Hmm.
also made it customizable for
Yes,
anyone who
yes,
would like to come and get anything of their own wish. That's wonderful.
yes, yes,
So when you
yes.
started, like you didn't think it is a business. You started
Hmm.
it as
Yes,
a hobby, but eventually
yes.
it turned into a business. Were there any
Hmm.
difficulties or challenges that you faced? Maybe while completing orders, like you
Yes.
maybe being overwhelmed with so many orders altogether. Were there any other challenges, and how did you overcome them?
Yes. The initial stage, like since I am from a IT background, so लोगों ने इतना accept नहीं किया ये चीज को कि like I can make beauty products as well. So initially बहुत ज़्यादा difficulty थी कि लोगों को बताना कि I'm making this handmade and it's really useful.
Right.
So telling them that this is really useful was really difficult for me. The secondly, from where I got the knowledge, I attended different workshops. So in that also, मतलब कुछ आधा अधूरा हो जाता था. For that you need a practice also. कि
Right.
you make a mistake, and I learned through mistakes. So I made a mistake, I learned through it, and obviously I search on the internet like what are actually property of particular chemical. For example, if I'm using any chemical, I should know like how it reacts. And in skincare, pH is very much important. So no one will tell you how to check the pH, okay, which is very much important. So I learned about that, about the skin properties, or about everything, जो science से related था. So उसके लिए थोड़ा time गया to study everything. Secondly, to know who is really genuine to teach you, to get a certification. Now there are lots of licenses required to continue in this line. So to no, and the basic information was like, to make handmade products is totally different, and industrial products are really different. Okay, yeah. So how they actually do everything. So that was a really challenging part for me. And secondly, to complete your customers to give the
Demand.
satisfaction, yeah, demand, completing the demand is really difficult, because like making so much of variety is really difficult for me. And like, yeah, so for the same product they are like, just give me this flavor also, this flavor also. So initially that was really difficult for me, but then gradually I started telling them, please do not try everything at a once. Just give time to your skin also, to know whether it is suitable for you or not. So yes,
like
those are the
any
challenge.
like any person who knows about skin, who's done that much
Yeah.
study, only that person will tell you that it takes time to see the effect. And it takes time
Yes,
to also
yes,
see that if you're having some side effects, some reaction to it. So just give some
yes.
time.
Yes, yes. Because there are different types also, like oily skin, combination skin,
Right.
dry skin. And suppose if the dry skin people, I gave some citrus kind of product, okay, which will suck your oil. Already you don't have any source of oil on your face, and still if you are using that, so giving a customer proper counseling is also important. So nowadays I have started that also. I take a case study first. I personally talk with the client. What are your requirement? What is your skin type? And then no, you have to use single product. Try it on your skin first, and then go to the next one. You don't need to apply each and everything on your face.
On your skin, right? Yeah, you have to give, you have to try something, you have to give it time, then see how it works for you, right?
Yes.
And like you said that you started absolutely from scratch.
Yes.
So you had no ideas. Then there's licenses, then certification courses, getting to know the pH balance. You have to maintain the pH balance of the product, and you have to make sure it maintains the pH balance of your skin. It's so important. Otherwise, the skin just loses its texture and smoothness, right? Wonderful.
Yes.
So Poonam, where do you see yourself and your venture in 5 years of time? Like, do you have such aspirations, and where? What do you feel will help you get there?
Yes, so basically, since I'm practicing over the Ayurveda, and I really want India, like India has a really good ancient history also. Like we used to deal with the Ayurvedic product, and they are really useful, but people doesn't know about it. Okay, even foreign country, they are really love Indian products and their culture. So I want to take my business to at that level where I can explore. I am studying and I am exploring. I'm trying to make a product which is based on Ayurveda, and that can be reached to maximum people. So what I'm doing currently. Yes. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm trying to find out my best product. For example, currently, as I said, like rice serum is best one, and the people doesn't know much about it. So I want to give that. Give the knowledge about the product to maximum. I started like posting it on the social sites and all. I'm trying to connect more and more people. I'm getting feedback from my customers, so there I can improve myself. Even simultaneously, I'm taking some good degree courses. I'm undergoing to the degree courses from the foreign countries also, so that I can understand what they are actually using, what are the essential oils are useful for your skin, so I can add those ingredients to my own my own product also. So
because the preferences and the weather, the climate,
that is also important.
So different that if you want to take your product global, then it has to match those expectations as per them. Yes, very rightfully said. So, Poonam, then what would you say are the changes that you've noticed in yourself ever since you became an entrepreneur? Because once you were an employee, now you are your own boss. और आपका journey इतना बड़ा है, from scratch you started, you learned so many things over time. So what would you say are the changes that you have noticed in yourself?
First of all, patience. Because बहुत सारे queries आपको आते रहते हैं, and you have to tackle every client. Okay, their demand is different, so you have to tackle everyone. So patiently you have to handle everything. So that is the key point. Secondly, just ignore your haters. Okay, just ignore them, because your fight is with yourself only. If you are not combating yourself, or just you have to save yourself. You have to just show them that you can do it. Okay, many people said that you are just a housewife and all, but I'm so happy now. At what stage I'm so happy that yes, I'm handling my home also, and I'm simultaneously doing my business, or I have some aim in my life.
Right.
So please, and getting a good mentor is also important. Okay, so just don't trust on a single person. Just explore each and every mentor, and then select your own. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, अपना एक खुद का एक गुरु होता है. So yes. So you have to follow a single one, so that you will understand, and always welcome your mistakes. Okay, you should work on your mistakes. Then only you can go ahead. Like you can go, you just success in your, you get a success in your life. So that is very important.
Yes, this is a very nice thing you said, that when you meet someone and you feel this person can be a good mentor, still try to reach out to other people, because you might just click with someone else, and that will be an entirely different experience for you.
And trust on your intuitions as well, because some people say that, "Arey, this is so, I can't do this with," but you never know that single idea can make you so successful in your life. जैसे कि because I started with the soap, so everyone was like, "Yeah, you are making soap." So I was like, okay, I need to try out this. So I added some, I make a rose petal soap. So this is really nice, and it looks very beautiful. I started making some designer soaps like cake, pastry. So पता नहीं चलता, you know, it was just like a soap. People were looking like जैसे कि एक simple soap होगा, but now they're like, wow, this is so beautiful. So that gives me, you know, motivation. So like you can try a different variation to your single product.
So I'd like to tell my viewers that now we will be showing you some products of Poonam's Ocean Sparkly, and you can just check out the pictures and see for yourself how beautiful they are. Like just now how she described them to be. What would you say to the budding entrepreneurs out there? There are people like you said, like you just said, that agar idea hai, to go for it. Until you try, you don't know if you can succeed in it. So, is there any message that you would like to give, you know, fellow budding entrepreneurs, or like maybe women like yourself who are multitaskers, who can handle, who can take care of their homes and also run a venture like you are? So do you have any encouraging message for them?
Yes. So basically मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक all the women's के लिए मुझे एक message है कि please don't think that you are just a housewife and after marriage you cannot do this. Please don't think in that way. Whether you get a small period or a small time also, now please utilize it in a good time. Start with your hobby. If you don't have any idea what to do, how to start a business, just start with a hobby. Give it to your clients or your friends and relatives. See their expectations, their feedback, and then start gradually. It is not like एक दिन में आप, you know, famous हो जाओगे. No, even I took 3 years. So like आपको भी थोड़ा time देना पड़ेगा. And secondly, just ignore your haters. It's like it's your passion ना. कल को जाके कोई भी आपको कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. You have to be strong. You should give them back answer. कि like नहीं, I can do this. I'm happy with it. So it just like when I make my soup, I always see like this is my baby and how cute it is. So that's why, you know, yeah. So that's why it when जब वो लोगों के पास जाता है ना, they feel so happy. So you should be like that only. Just ignore the negative thoughts. You just start. Okay, like hurdles तो आने ही वाले. Okay, you have to overcome that. Without that, you cannot be successful in your life. And always the second important thing, always you know, just look out the people who are at some level, जैसे कि जो already life में successful है. Just read their stories. So that will give you motivation also.
Right. Is it
so any job is not small, okay? Everyone is putting their effort. So please don't think in that way.
Right. Very, very nicely said, Poonam. Thank you so much for, you know, coming here on KYE Talks and sharing your journey with us. It is wonderful to know that you started from scratch and 3 years into it, you've actually made a name for yourself. People recognize you for the products that you're making, for the little bit of a touch of love that you are, you know, giving to their lives. Because like you said, when you see your product and you feel so happy when you see that product, there's this love that you share with that product, and that love reaches to your customers. They can feel it, and that is what makes them come back to you for more products.
Yes. So
I would like to tell my viewers that we will be mentioning the links to Poonam's social media accounts, that is Ocean Sparkly's social media accounts, and you can go and check out the products and order for yourself. Every person who is a skin care enthusiast, this is one place that you should definitely check out. Thank you.
So thank you so much, KYE, Bhageshri ma'am and Sonal. Obviously because of you, I can express my feeling over here. This is very nice platform where I can tell other clients or the people to like, this is really a good field also, because nowadays people are only few fields available to, proceed or to choose as a career.
Right.
So thank you so much, KYE, once again.
It's our pleasure.